Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll take you for a photo walk and you'll also see some behind the scenes from my last film, Sacrifice. लेकिन इस सब से पहले let's check out कि फॉग गाड़ी की डिग्गी में एक दुम्बा आता है कि नहीं. Let's go. चलो बेटा फॉर्म में. ओए 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 कैसे डाल रहे हो यार. बस 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 ऐसा ना करो. एक सेकंड बेटा. बेटा एक सेकंड.
यार ये रख दो अंदर प्लीज, वो बेचैन है.
वो बेचैन हो गया ऐसे नहीं.
उसको खोल लो, जख्म दुख ना हो जाए. खोल दो फौरन.
बोलूँ वाला फौरन बाहर आएगा. एक सेकंड आ जा मेरा बेटा.
इतनी जल्दी पहुंच गए. आप अंदर चलिए, अभी गाड़ी चली भी नहीं. आप चलिए अंदर, चलिए चलिए.
चल अंदर.
पहुंच गए.
पहुंच गए. अरे अभी तक नहीं पहुंचे, बार बार निकल क्यों जाते हो. चलिए बैठिए बैठिए अंदर चुप करके.
जर्मनी जर्मनी
जर्मनी जर्मनी. डिग्गी में तो नहीं आया बॉस. डिग्गी में आ सकता था पर मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यार उसका दम घुट रहा है और पहली दफ़ा वो डिग्गी में आया है तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा जानवर के साथ ऐसे करता हुआ. पिछली सीट पे भी ट्राई किया बट वहाँ पे भी वो उसका दिल नहीं कर रहा था जाने का. फिर मैंने सोचा कि बाइक पे लेके जाते हैं और बाइक पे लोग आजकल तो गाय लेके जा रहे हैं. किया पे वो पिक्चर पता नहीं यार कैसे लेके जा रहा है क्योंकि मेरा एक पहला एक्सपीरियंस था दुम्बा लेके जाने का और मैं बहुत ही औखा हुआ हूँ भाई.
ऊपर से खाल से पकड़ोगा. वो चुकले पाऊं. वो क्या कर रहा है.
So here is our first stop. As you can see, there's a bridge over here, and I thought it can serve as a cool opening shot with sunrise at the back. But it didn't turn out as I wanted it to be, and so the scene didn't make it to the final cut.
भाग के.
Moving on, the sheep himself decided to pose for one of the perfect pictures of the day, and I didn't have to do much. I just simply whistled. There was something about him in the close-up shots. He kind of looks like a baby lion. And that's where I thought the opener of the film would be as if I am revealing a baby lion.
ऐसे ही खड़े रहो बेटा. पाँव की पिक्चर्स लेंगे हम. ऐसे ही खड़े रहो.
And these opening shots, they really turned out to be one of my favorite. Later on, our next stop was these two trees which you can see in the far background. I thought maybe here I can pull off the sun in the background that I wanted in the first shot.
बस इधर छोड़ के जल्दी से भाग जाओ.
The pictures were good, but still not the one I was looking for.
हाँ यहाँ पर बस छोड़ के चले जाओ इसे.
Next, the sheep started grazing in the grass And I loved it how the final shot turned out to be. It was so cinematic. I was still looking for my perfect shot, and I noticed a fence far in the background. This could be it, I thought. So we moved towards it. The symmetry that you can see here in the pools, I knew I could get something decent here.
इसको यूं आगे को ले आओ और अचानक से खुद इस साइड पे निकल जाना। ले बिल्कुल बाउंड्री के साथ साथ लाते रहो। आएगा आएगा, और आगे लाना है, और आगे लाना है। निकल जाओ।
This frame here, unedited, already was looking unreal to me. The subject could be so perfectly framed between the symmetric poles and the trees.
लेट जाओ, साथ लेट जाओ उसके। ओ इधर नीचे लेट जाओ। लेटो तो सही।
So as you would guess, I took a lot of pictures here. With so much animal abuse going around these days, I wanted the pictures to have some affection towards the animal. I really can't decide which one of these is my favorite. They feel like such a nice memory to me. This was where I thought I can call it a day.
ध्यान से आगे
So
से move
we
करो।
headed back. Almost all of you guys missed the twist at the end of the film, which was that all of this was a memorable dream for the sheep as he takes his last breath at the time of sacrifice. It was told in the little details. Towards the end, the scenes become blurry, colors are distorted. They represent the struggle for his last breath. And everything went back to normal as he was revealed dead. So that's it for today. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and yes, this is my favorite photo of the day.